Beautiful day out here in the orchard. It feels like it's 70. And Alan just got finished up on this, constructing this keyhole raised bed. Now the reason for this design is so that you can get in and have access to everything you're growing. So you can reach. And I spent a little time leveling it this morning with some rocks so that it looks nice and that it's also level. And that way moisture doesn't pool in one end. So what we're filling this with, and the reason I'm going to tell you this is because Ransom wanted to know where to get good soil. If you don't have any soil, right there. This is our local soil company from the San Luis Valley. And it's processed from sterilized mushroom compost, organic topsoil. So for about $3 a cubic foot, you can really get a good start. And so what we're going to do now is put in 12 of these, 12 cubic feet. Where are we at now?
I'm on 2.
Yeah, this
You're
is
on 2.
4.
This is number 4.
4 in the hole?
Yeah. Supposed to be 4.
So 12 should be pretty substantial. And so let's get this filled up and we'll come right back. Alright, so we're back and we filled the keyhole raised bed. It took 16 cubic feet of organic topsoil, and then we added 1 cubic foot of organic compost, organic garden compost. So we just put that as a top mulch preparation, and now we're planting it. We're planting seeds that you can plant when there's snow still on the ground, and that includes beets, lettuce, cilantro, radish, and many others. And in this bed we're going to be planting 3 rows of beets on the outside, and we'll plant 2 rows of lettuce on the outside of the beets, and with a little cilantro center. And so what we're going to do is also add some radish and in an area, and we're going to mix 3 varieties of radish: China Rose, Comet, and Champion. And that way we'll have a radish party. And we're going to be growing this type of cilantro, Heirloom Leisure. So there's that variety. We're also going to put in some spinach. I should have said that. But we're going to be growing this amazing Heirloom Romaine. Rogue de Haiva. Look at that, it's like reddish, it's amazing. And we've got about a pound of this Merlot Nero spinach, straight from the hot zone, Italy. So that's what we're going to be planting.
And these are what beet seeds look like.
Are those the choiga?
Chioga, yeah.
Yeah, so these are the candy stripe beets. And she's planting them about as close as possible. They're about 1 inch apart in here. And you can always thin them, but beets will push apart, so you don't have to be real crazy with the beet spacing. And Alan, you're planting the Detroit Dark Red and Early Wonder on this side. Now we're still below freezing here almost every night for the next 2 months. And then it'll let up sometime in May and June. So it'll be a while before this sprouts out. And after we get done seeding it, we're just going to cover it with light hay and water it in. So I hope you got something out of the video. You guys have anything else you want to say? Grow food. Now's the time to get growing. Plant a seed.